Are you guys tired of unboxing yet? I know there's so many out there, but it's good to know which one is the right subscription for you. So hopefully all my unboxing helps you. For today's unboxing, I am giving you my October Yes Oh Yes. I know Yes Oh Yes is not that popular yet, but before we get started, hi! If you're new here, hello, my name is Melanie. And if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. If this is your first time here and this is the first time you've heard of Yes Oh Yes, it is a beauty subscription. You pay $14.99 a month plus shipping, and they will send out 5 products your way. They are not exclusively just beauty products. They have skincare. They have a little bit of everything for you guys, so check them out. I will link their Instagram and also the website if you are interested. So let's just get to it. You guys know how this works. I have most of the product on my face already because most of these subscriptions don't really put enough products in your bag that you can make a full face. But before we hop on to unbagging, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel before you leave, and please do turn on that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my upload here on our channel. So if you guys are interested on finding out what is Yes Oh Yes all about, then just keep on watching. So every month they do have a theme, like every other subscriptions that we have. For this month's theme, they have Yes Oh Yes. So they are doing a breast cancer awareness for you guys. So that is really nice of them. So they have the pink ribbon. So Yes Oh Yes. It says the moment you realize you will never pay full price for makeup, and then that you will receive a free gift every time you complete 4 consecutive months. So you have to email them to let them know. And it says the retail value of this bag is $104. Yes Oh Yes, hopefully you guys get to watch this. I hope you do. But I wish that you guys can customize your bag as well. You know, kind of cater to, you know, to us that subscribe to your bags, because I'm not really big on, I mean, I don't mind receiving skincares and stuff like that, but I would rather receive makeup rather than skincare. So I wish that we can customize our bags and kind of just, you know, kind of just give our feedback and let you guys know what we like and we don't like. So the first product that they put in my bag is this MASKERAIDE. It says spotted, minimize, detoxify, and calm. It says cleanse and dry the affected area, peel clear path of sheets, and apply to an active blemish or any spot where you feel a blemish developing. Did I show you guys the packaging? The packaging is really cute. She's got these little blemishes on her face, but she still looks bomb diggity. So that's what it looks like. And it comes with 2 inside. It's like a spot treatment right here. I can't really feel anything inside. So it's probably one of those circle things that maybe when you see like a pimple growing or blemishes, you like put it on it and it would kill the bacteria or something like that. I wish I looked at this. I could have used this. I just thought it was a mask because it's, you know, a little tube like this. I don't know. This is a anti-aging transforming daily moisturizer. This has grapefruit stem cell extract. It has alp rose stem cell extract and some other words that I can't really say. This is from the company MAD Skincare. So this is really tiny. It has, what is this? It has 0.5 ounces. So I'm assuming this is not a full size product. So yeah, this is going to be in a giveaway too. I do have plenty of moisturizers that I can use, but I'm sure this is a good moisturizer. The one thing that I love about Yes Oh Yes is the palette that they put in their bag every month. They don't fail to put a palette in their bag, so that's why I'm really excited about this subscription bag. So if a palette is what you're after when it comes to subscription, then definitely check them out. So this palette is from Glam Light. This is their Miracle 12 Luxury Eyeshadows. This is what the unicorn looks like, and it shows you at the back the colors of the shadow that you will be getting in this eyeshadow palette. They are cruelty free and vegan friendly. This is what the palette looks like inside. It's cute that they put the little pink ribbon right here. So I really love the attention of detail on this palette. Glam Light Cosmetics 12 Luxurious Eyeshadow. And then it has a cute little mirror. I love that they added a little design on their mirror. I love that companies are listening to consumers, and they're adding mirrors, because it seems like everybody wants mirror on their eyeshadow palettes. So I really love that about brands now, that you guys are listening, so thank you. So these are the 12 shadows that we're going to be playing with today. I'm going to go swatch them for you real quick, but I think we're going to go and stick with gold today, because there is a there is a gold shimmer that came in this bag, so we definitely have to play with that as well. So we're gonna stick with gold today. The first thing I'm gonna do is take this shade right here, and I'm gonna put it all over my lid. We're gonna go ahead and start with this shade right here, and take up we're gonna put that on our crease. Ooh, wow, okay. So I'm going to focus that on the outer V, and then we're going to bring it in. Wow, you don't even need a lot of work with this. It kind of blends on its own. Beautiful shade. You're going to get a lot out of this palette, you guys. If all of the shades are just like that one, wow, okay, Glam Light. I see you. Okay, now I'm going to take the dark brown, the one on the bottom right here. That's going to be going in the same place that we have the first shade, or the second shade I should say. I went ahead and cleaned up my lid, because you guys see me do that so many times. I'm sure it's not that interesting, but if you're new and you've never seen me do that, please watch my other videos. Yeah, do that so you can watch my other videos. So let's get back into the palette. I'm gonna take this gold one right here. This is Flawless, and we're gonna put that where we clean up our crease. It's always the same thing. I know. Now we are gonna press this product onto our lid. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Oh my god, that is so pretty. If you want more pigment than this, you can definitely go ahead and wet your brush, but I'm happy with it. So if you guys are not seeing too much detail on any of my looks that I do here on YouTube, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. I do more detailed pictures on there, so you guys can see all my hard work on there. So we're definitely gonna have to define this more in a little bit. So that's that is gorgeous, you guys. So we're gonna leave that alone. We're gonna take a smaller brush like this. We're gonna go back into that dark brown. We're gonna redefine our outer V right here. I like to kind of press my products first, and then we blend. Especially over here, you don't want to just rub it, you want to marry it. You want to kind of marry it together. You gotta be, what's the word? I can't think of it right now. Be gentle with it, See? They would just melt into each other. If they are meant to be, they would just melt into each other. And then let's take that fluffy brush that we used in the beginning, so we can fluff it more on the outer. You guys, I'm using so much of these shadows, and they are barely bold. I mean, I see a little bit like right here, but nothing cray. I'm kind of just dust that a little bit right here, so it kind of shadows our crease right here, our cut crease. I went ahead and finished up the bottom as well. I just used the same shadow that we used on top, minus the gold. Now let's go ahead and move on to the next products in our bag, which is a product from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. They are a pretty good brand, you guys. It says acrylic glitter. This is for your eyes. It says bling bling. It's really pretty. This is gonna be really pretty for Halloween. One thing I don't like about glitters, you guys, that they just get everywhere. It's right there. It is loose glitters, of course. You can, I'm sure you can use this on your eyes and on your skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet my brush. Oh, my brush. Hopefully it works this way too. Yeah, you definitely need to use some type of adhesive with this because it's getting everywhere. You guys, this is definitely beautiful. I can also like put this as a highlighter, why not? I'm just gonna be a gold goddess today. Definitely use some type of adhesive with this because it's not gonna stick on your skin if you don't, for sure. So you guys, that product is amazing. You can definitely make a use out of that glitter, loose glitter that is in Bling Bling. So definitely use some type of adhesive with that when you use it because it's definitely not gonna stick. I just got it everywhere. Yeah, so definitely gonna get a use out of that. So let's go ahead and move on to the last product in the bag, which is a lipstick. This is from SORME. I love their product too, you guys. Love getting all this new brand and just love them. So this is what it looks like, you guys. Love their packaging. So this one is in Cherish. So this is like a pinkish nude shade. So this is what this one look like. I'm gonna put it on for you guys. Before I apply the lipstick, I want to kind of define my lips really quick. I'm gonna use this LA Girl Ultimate Lip Intense Stay Auto Lip Liner. This is in Forever Bare. So I'm gonna line my lips really quick and then we'll get to the lipstick. This is very moisturizing, you guys. Not a big fan of like a nude, like a pinkish nude, like nude that really washes you off. So not a big fan of this, but it's really soft on the lips. So if you like this tone and you like lipstick that is very moisturizing on the lips, it doesn't feel like, you know, it's one of those things that you put on your lips and it just dries your lips, then this is for you. Not really for me, but maybe it's for somebody else, but not for me. I think this is something that my mom would enjoy. So mama, this one is for you. I know I've used it already, but I mean, I'm your anak, so you can have this one because this is definitely not for me, but really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my face. I'm gonna add some lashes and I'll be right back. Well, I was putting on my lashes. If you've been watching me for a while, comment below which lashes these are. I'm sure you guys know which one. I thought about it. I was like, you know what? Let me wipe these lips and not use a pencil so you guys can see what it looks like. I didn't want the lip pencil to kind of alter the color of this lipstick. And to be honest to you guys, this is more like a topper for me. This can definitely hydrate lipstick, liquid lipstick that you have that are very drying on the lips. You can definitely use this on top of that and it would solve that problem. This one is definitely can be used for that, but this is going to my mom. It's very sheer on the lips. I can still definitely see, you know, my lips. There's really no descriptions on like their little pamphlet to tell you like the specifics of this lipstick. This could be more of a like just, I don't know, like a topper, or maybe this is like a hydrating I don't know, lipstick or something like that. So more details on that on the description if you're interested. So everything that I didn't mention is going to be in the description below as always. One thing that I love doing with my shadows, you guys, I clean it up with concealer, and I did add a little bit of that loose pigment that we have in this month's bag. It added more definition to our cut crease, so I really like that. So that is everything in our October Yes Oh Yes bag. Honestly, you guys, I will take the palette and the loose pigment, but that is about it. Just being honest, the lipstick is not really for me, and the skincare stuff I can definitely pass on that. I'm sure they are great, but it's definitely not for me. So Yes Oh Yes, I feel like they put like amazing palettes in their bags, and sometimes we get like amazing liquid lipstick and whatnot or other products, but their palettes are always amazing in their bag. So that's what I look forward to my Yes Oh Yes bag. That's why I keep that subscription. So let me know if you think this subscription is worth it. Comment below if you are interested in this subscription. What is your experience with any subscription, and tell me which one is your favorite. So yeah, that is everything I have for you in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you guys for watching, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.